welcome back to the channel. My name is Holly and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these realistic crepe paper lavender stems. They're delicate, elegant and perfect for small bouquets, home decor and as a gift. Plus they're super easy to make. You can grab the free template from my website at Florishly.com. It doesn't cost anything, so be sure to check that out before getting started. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and now let's go over what you'll need. You will need craft glue, a paper clamp, small craft scissors, green floral tape, floral wire 1mm, a glue gun with glue sticks, and crepe paper. You can use at least 90 grams, but any crepe paper will work. If you're using thicker crepe paper like I am, just stretch it slightly. You'll also need your template, which you can get for free at Florishly.com, and you'll also get the leaves. So if you've got everything and you're ready, let's begin. Take your crepe paper and use the template to cut out a strip. Fold it down to the fold line, making sure not to press too tightly at the top. Continue folding all the way down. Apply a thin line of craft glue along the folded edge and press it down to secure it. Use your paper clamp to hold the paper just above the fold line. Take your scissors and make small fringe cuts about 1.5 to 2 millimeters apart along the entire strip. Take your time to make them even. This will give the lavender a realistic and delicate look. To give your lavender a full and natural look, gently press down where the fold is. This will help to open up the petals slightly. Grab your floral wire and your glue gun. Apply a small amount of hot glue just below the fold line and start wrapping the lavender strip around the wire in a slow twisting motion. Continue wrapping, gently pressing the paper against the wire as you go, but be careful with the hot glue. Using the leaf template, cut out at least 4 leaves. Use your paper clamp to secure the template and cut them all at once if you prefer. Stretch your floral tape slightly before wrapping it around the base of the lavender. Continue wrapping downwards to secure the stem. About 1/3 of the way down, attach the leaves by wrapping them in place with floral tape. There's no need for glue. And there you have it, beautiful handmade paper lavender. These are perfect for small bouquets, gifts, or simply adding a touch of nature to your space. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you'll be using your paper lavender for. I'd love to hear your ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorial, which is coming up very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!